Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about breast cancer and the color pink. Pink became the color of breast cancer, I'm sure for several reasons. One is because we think about women and pink, but really do we? You know, is pink really your favorite color now? Now, for some of you watching this, it may be. I have lots of patients who have everything pink. They have every pink ribbon, mugs, hats, and buttons, and pins, and sweatshirts. Awesome, that's great. But for a lot of you watching this video, and you may be the only ones still watching, pink just doesn't do it for you. I'll tell you the objections I know out there about pink that I feel personally, but also what I've heard from my patients and from advocates and politicians even. Pink is the color for baby girls. Love it or leave it, it's just what we always think of, right? And we're not babies. So if you've had breast cancer, you're not a baby, and it's so infantilizing to some people. You know, we don't have baby blue be the color for prostate cancer, for example. This is kind of an objection I've heard and one I have myself. For a lot of my patients, breast cancer is never pink. It's not soft. It's not cuddly. It's not a blanket. Breast cancer is something that's put a big boulder in your place. Some people find it's changed their lives in more ways than one, in big ways and small, right? You'll never have a routine mammogram again. There's nothing routine about going back to the doctor. When we think about pink and what it's used for, my objection is that a lot of industries, a lot of big companies, and you know who they are, will sell you a pink appliance. It'll cost more, and all sales, the extra sales, go to breast cancer research. That's terrific. But they also just sold you a product, and some of those cost a lot. Some of those are only available to people who have a lot of money to spend. You know what I'm talking about. So we have to think about it this way. If pink is a pink appliance for you and really for breast cancer research, or is it a way to leverage and market cleverly to appeal to people who've been affected by this disease and others of us who care about people with breast cancer and beating this disease? So it's a double-edged sword, right? If somebody gives you something that's pink that you like as a gift, that's a lovely gift. There's so many other ways to do it. So these are my objections to pink. Other people are making money off a disease. And yes, they're donating funds, but it's not the whole amount. They could have just donated that money. It's infantilizing, and it actually may not be your favorite color. I hope this has been helpful to you. If it resonates with you, click like and subscribe, and then other people who are wondering, is pink really my favorite color now? They can find it too.
So Jennifer, do you mean that we should change the color of our logo?
Oh, our logo. For those of you wondering, why is Yerbba's logo pink? It's not. We made sure it wasn't when we designed the logo. I said no pink and explained to these guys why.